Okay. So how to generate leads from Facebook? On Facebook, the strategy should be you do not need to promote network marketing directly. Okay. You can talk about financial education. You can talk about money mindset, how to make money online. Okay. And while giving the content, okay, you uploaded the content. Like, so lead generation in Facebook. Okay. On Facebook, we do not need to promote network marketing directly. Okay. Let's say you uploaded a video. You uploaded a video on Facebook. On the top of the video, the first line should be the lead magnet. Call to action to your lead magnet. Okay. The landing page link you need to give here. The second should be title of the video. Title of the video. Or only title and give the title here. Only these two things you need to mention above the video in the description option. Getting my point, Abhijit?
Yes, sir.
Right? So here it should be the landing page link, because our idea is to take them out of Facebook and generate leads. If they click on the landing page, they will give their name, email ID, WhatsApp number. Okay. You got the name, email ID, WhatsApp number. The next step is invite them for one-to-one meeting. Invite for one-to-one meeting. How to invite? It is given, the training is given in DNA, right? In the Facebook group, we'll find the training. Then secondly, after inviting them to one-to-one meeting, do the one-to-one meeting as it is trained in DNA, right? Do the one-to-one meeting and close. Clear? So on Facebook, no direct network marketing. You need to do it indirectly.
Okay, okay.
On what topics you can talk about? You can talk about make money opportunities, make money opportunities, or you can say ideas. Okay. You can talk about financial education. You can talk about make money mindset also. You can talk about online business. In these topics, you can talk. On Facebook, just before means how to grow Facebook. The question is how to grow Facebook, how to get leads. You always have a limited number of friends, right? Let's say today you have just 100 friends on your Facebook, right? Now, how to generate leads and how to grow this number? Before sending friend requests to any person on Facebook, because on Facebook, people are more informal, right? They want to know more about you informally, right? So what you can do, upload 5 content on Facebook profile and remove all the unwanted content. Okay. Upload 5 good content on Facebook based on these topics. Okay. Then optimize the bio, your bio option, about section in the Facebook. Please mute yourself, whoever is this. It's creating a lot of noise. Okay. Optimize your bio. Okay. After that, on a daily basis, just what do I say? Just send 5 friend requests to good people. 5 friend requests to good people. Okay. Now, when you send a friend request to any person whose profile you saw, okay, you find it good, and you've sent friend request, the person will come and check your about section first. Who are you? The person will go through, audit your profile. Okay, what kind of content are you putting? If you are putting here sensible content, okay, the person, there's high chances that person will accept your friend request. Getting my point? Once the person accepted your friend request, you can just send a hello message on Messenger. Just connect. What do you do? And the person will ask, what do you do? So you people just connected. Now, from now onwards, whatever content you will upload, that person is also watching the content. Today or tomorrow, they will definitely opt in inside your landing page. So again, this is an everyday process. And in their profile also, you can add value in the comment option. Let's say they posted something, okay? And you just gave a valuable comment on their post. So it is very likely that they will come to your profile, check out your profile, and whenever they see a video, they will leave a comment. You're getting my point? So promoting business on Facebook is not direct, it should be indirect. Getting my point? So in this way, if you do the marketing, what I said, once your system is ready, once you have created your backend system, which includes lead capturing system, appointment booking system, right? You are ready with how to do one-to-one meetings. You're ready with all these things. Now, the only task which is left is promote your landing page. Promote your landing page. In other terms, this is the marketing. Marketing on Facebook. And this is called value-based marketing. Getting my point? So in this way, you can leverage Facebook. You can use Facebook to connect with people, to build relationships, right? Relationship in the sense having a good rapport. They know you, you know them through your content. They will judge you through your content. Getting my point? So add value through your content before sending friend request to anyone, before trying to generate leads. You must upload some good content on your Facebook profile. Optimize your bio properly. It should not look like you are a child. Okay, so it should look professional. Then start sending friend. Don't send more than 5 because Facebook will consider it spamming and it will block your account. Getting my point? I hope you got the clarity about your question. I hope you liked the video. If you're interested to learn the right system, how to build a network marketing business 100% online without convincing anyone, go to the link and go to the description and click on the link where you can connect with me directly on WhatsApp and I help you build the system. The second thing is if you want to personally work with me in my team, then you can refer the link in description. You can apply to work with me and build 5 minute income stream by just working 30 minutes per day along with your current profession without disturbing your current profession. Then you can apply, we can work together. Thank you so much.